Palm Springs.
In double.
Dub. Naughty. 12 shots to your body.
Rest in peace, Yacht.
R.I.P. Pop. When you niggas gonna learn, man? Do whatever the fuck we want.
Show these niggas.
I know. It right. We out late nights. Playing like we God on the street lights. Yeah. I swear to God, I don't sleep nights. I pray to God I don't see Christ. Maybe it's the unit, how we move different. We out here eating more than soul kitchens. They got the game, but the rules missing. Pull up to the hood with the roof missing. Escaping this must have mean necessary. Knock 'em dead every time obituary. Lay 'em down, dog, past cemetery. I spit the raw tongue, legendary. If this ain't what you want, I suggest you stop playing, cause my team don't play about arms. Yeah, we in LA with stars. At the day party buying at the bar. If you ain't hate it, you ain't ready by the law. Motivated, get my way to buy it all. Go to jail, it's a lab when we ball. This the last night, we gon' do it all.
Yeah. What happened last night? What happened last night? Damn, what happened last night? Yeah. We stay lit like lamps, she still selling her stamps. These bitches niggas catching feelings like they menstrual cramps. And can't none of y'all fuck because that's on the set. Coming straight out the west, on God they know we blessed. Who the same fatal tragedy, end of the casualty. Rest in peace in the yacht, illest niggas in the galaxy. Every time I turn around, they letting off rounds. Cause they don't wanna get them up, cause they scared to get down. I need a female freak, get a room in the finna work the bitch like it's hell week. Put it on the blade late night, and when you get ready, just call me. And if the police get involved, look bitch, don't call me. If you coming, then hurry, these niggas leaving the journeys. I have to put them on ice, cause these niggas try to burn me. I got so many ways, niggas coming with K's, so get lost before you get crossed like a maze. And I'm finna do my thing, and I don't work on one day, so you can find me on Secret Sundays. They don't want no gunplay, street beef for rap battles is all gonna get handled. It just don't tattle. What happened last night? What happened last night? What happened last night?